everyone, good day. I am Donna Oidakit and I am a Math 1A. And now, in this video, I am going to share my learning styles quiz and the results of my multiple intelligence inventory. I want you to know that learning styles is depend on us. If what do we prepare in terms of learning, it means we have different styles of learning. First, we have the visual, the auditory, and the kinesthetic. It is really important to know our learning style for us to be able to know our strengths, weaknesses, and to be successful on studying. Because if we know our learning style, it is very easy for us to study the things or the lessons. So, I am done in my learning styles. And yung learning styles ko is yung auditory. Now, I am going to show you my results in multiple intelligence inventory. Sabi daw dito, complete each section by placing a 1 next to each statement that you feel accurately describes you or describes me. So, in section 1, nakakuha ako ng 3 points. Section 2 naman, nakakuha ako ng 5 points. Section 3, nakakuha ako ng 6 points. Section 4, nakakuha ako ng 8 points. Section 5, nakakuha ako ng 7 points. Section 6, nakakuha ako ng 9 points. Section 7, nakakuha ako ng 2 points. Section 8 naman, nakakuha ako ng 4 points. And Section 9, nakakuha ako ng 5 points. Yes, that's the results of my multiple intelligence. Dito naman sa pangalawa, sabi daw dito, yung results ko doon sa mga section na yun is i-multiply ko siya by 10. So, ito yung naging resulta niya. And after ko siyang i-multiply by 10, gagawin ko siyang bar graph and ganito naman yung magiging resulta niya. Tingnan nyo na lang po. So, after ko ipakita yung bar graph, sabi daw dito, ano daw yung top 3 types of learning ko. Based on my result, 4, 5, 6, yung pinaka mataas. Yung existentialism, interpersonal, and kinesthetic. Yung top 3 bottom ko naman, sabi daw dito sa results ko, based on my results, I have the naturalistic, verbal, and intrapersonal. So, yun yung top 3 na mataas and top 3 din na mababa dito sa naging resulta ng aking multiple intelligence inventory. Sabi daw dito, do you see a pattern in the group? Analytic, interactive, introspective. So, based naman dun sa naging resulta, hindi ko naman masasabing may pattern doon kasi based dun sa naging resulta, hindi naman sila sama-sama. Kumbaga, hiwalay-hiwalay sila. Kaya walang pattern doon. So, yun yung naging results ng aking ginawa. And the last question here is, what do you think your learning styles tells you about the career you might get in? So, based dun sa results ng learning styles ko, magagamit ko siya sa future career ko, which is to be a teacher in the future. Kasi, let's say, for example, yung auditory learning, kapag yung learning na yon na i-apply ko, mas maituturo ko siya sa future student ko ng maganda. Kumbaga, mas maganda kung ma-explain yung mga lesson and then mas madali din nilang maiintindihan yun. So, yung mga learning styles ko ay makakatulong sa future student ko. Tututunan din nila yung learning styles nila kung magiging porsigido sila sa pag-aaral. So, as a future teacher, I want my student to learn and to know also their learning styles or the way of learning so that my student can easily understand, learn the instruction or the lessons. And yun lamang. I hope na-share ko naman ng tama yung learning styles and the multiple intelligence na nagawa ko. That's all. Thank you.